Mahmoud Khalil is a Palestinian activist. He is a graduate of Columbia University. He is also a legal permanent resident of the United States. But on March 8, 2025, his life changed forever. He became a target. DHS agents arrested him, accusing him of supporting terrorism. Khalil was a vocal critic of Israel's policies towards Palestine. He led student protests. He advocated for Palestinian rights. This activism, it seems, did not sit well with the authorities. His arrest sent shockwaves through Columbia University and beyond. It raised serious questions about free speech. It challenged the very principles of justice and due process. Khalil's story is a stark reminder of the fragility of our liberties. It is a testament to the power of activism in the face of oppression. The details of Khalil's arrest are chilling. DHS agents apprehended him on a Saturday morning. They did not have a warrant. They claimed his green card was revoked, later admitting they were mistaken. He was transported to a federal immigration detention facility. This facility is notorious for its harsh conditions. It is located in Jena, Louisiana, far from his family and legal counsel. The location seemed deliberate. It was designed to isolate Khalil, to make it harder for him to fight back. This tactic is common in cases of political persecution. The arrest was swift. It was brutal. It was a clear attempt to silence a dissenting voice. Khalil's lawyer, Amy Greer, immediately contested the arrest. She called it an attack on free speech. She argued for his immediate release. The ACLU joined the fight. They filed a motion to block his deportation. They denounced the arrest as unconstitutional. On March 10, 2025, there was a glimmer of hope. A federal judge temporarily blocked Khalil's deportation. This was a small victory in a much larger battle. The legal fight is far from over. Khalil remains detained. His future hangs in the balance. The Trump administration justified Khalil's arrest with a chilling accusation support for terrorism. They alleged his activism was aligned with Hamas. This allowed them to bypass due process. However, no evidence supports this claim. Khalil has never been charged with any crime related to terrorism. The government's case relies on a dangerous conflation. Criticism of Israel equals support for terrorism. This tactic is designed to silence dissent. It creates a climate of fear. It prevents open dialogue about the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. The accusation is as baseless as it is dangerous. Section 5. A unified outcry. Voices against injustice. Khalil's arrest sparked outrage. Protests erupted across the country. Students, activists, and civil rights organizations condemned the Trump administration's actions. A petition demanding Khalil's release garnered hundreds of thousands of signatures. Social media platforms buzzed with messages of solidarity. Even Jewish faculty at Columbia expressed support for Khalil, recognizing the danger of conflating criticism of Israel with anti-Semitism. This diverse coalition of voices highlights the widespread concern over Khalil's case. It underscores the fundamental right to free speech regardless of one's political views. Section 6. Columbia University, caught in the crossfire. Columbia University found itself at the center of this controversy. ICE agents were seen on campus. Rumors swirled about the university's involvement in Khalil's arrest. The university denied any collaboration with ICE. They confirmed that ICE agents entered campus without a warrant. This raised serious concerns about the erosion of academic freedom. Columbia's response, however, has been criticized as inadequate. Students and faculty demand stronger action to protect their right to free speech. This incident highlights the vulnerability of academic institutions in the face of government overreach. Section 7. The Gaza backdrop, fueling the flames. Khalil's arrest cannot be separated from the ongoing Israeli-Palestinian conflict. The situation in Gaza is dire. Thousands of Palestinians have been killed. The humanitarian crisis is worsening. Khalil's activism focused on this very issue. He called for an end to the violence. He demanded justice for the Palestinian people. His arrest is a blatant attempt to silence those who dare to speak out against Israel's actions. It is a reminder of the human cost of this conflict. The situation in Gaza adds another layer of injustice to Khalil's case. Section 8. A dangerous precedent, silencing dissent. Khalil's case sets a dangerous precedent. It normalizes the use of immigration laws to punish political speech. It creates a chilling effect on activism. If the government can silence Khalil, they can silence anyone. This is not just about one Palestinian activist. It is about the very fabric of American democracy. The right to dissent is paramount. It is the cornerstone of a free society. When this right is under attack, we must all be concerned. Khalil's case is a wake-up call. We must defend our rights before it's too late. Section 9. The fight continues defending our rights. The fight for Mahmoud Khalil's freedom is far from over. It is a fight for justice. It is a fight for free speech. It is a fight for the soul of America. We cannot stand idly by while the government tramples on our liberties. We must demand Khalil's immediate release. We must hold the Trump administration accountable for its actions. This is a pivotal moment. The outcome of this case will have far-reaching consequences. The future of free speech hangs in the balance. Let us stand with Mahmoud Khalil. Let us defend our right to dissent. Let us fight for a just and equitable world.